Hello and welcome to the second part of my tutorial. What we're going to be doing here is unwrapping our pipe. What we want to do is select the modifier panel and select unwrap UVW. This is the modifier we're going to be used to unwrap our pipe. Open the UV editor, select all the faces and go into projection, click cylinder and click fit. Doing this will freeze the faces in place, so click the polygon tool in the UV editor twice to move them around. The first thing we're going to do is open up the checker pattern, and we're going to make it have a checker pattern. This will allow us to see any stretched faces. Firstly, what we're going to do is select the sides of the pipe and we're going to grow them outward. Doing this, we're going to select quick planar map in the edit UVs. And once we've done that, we're going to right click and relax. Going to move them upwards, and next up we're going to select the top of the pipe and do the same thing. This process will be repeated throughout the tutorial. I will speed it up for you. You can use the UV editor to select the faces as well. Sometimes this can be easier, depending on the object. What we're going to do here for the inside of the pipe, because they're going to be the same texture, we're going to select both of them individually and quick planar map and relax them without moving them. We'll move them together so they're perfectly aligned. We'll do this for the panels and lights as well as the small extrusions around the pipe. Next up, what we're going to do is we're going to resize the UVs and manually fit them in the space. It is better to manually fit them so you know what is what and where it is. Using the custom pack, it can sometimes mess up the UVs by placing them in random areas. You want to keep fiddling around until you get a good map. After you have finished your map, what you want to go in is Tools, and click Render UVW Template. We're going to change the width and the height to 2048. Change the color of fill to pure white, and mode to solid. Don't show overlap, visible, or seam edges. And then we're going to render the UVW template. And now it should be ready for texturing, which will be in the third and final part of this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned something new.